Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a full, fluffy looking brow in seconds. To create this look, we're going to be using a combination of two products. First, Precisely My Brow Pencil, a micro liner to create believable hair-like strokes. And second, 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is a clear shaping and setting gel to give it that fluffy texture and last all day long. First things first, you need to find your shade. What you want to do is look at the color and undertone of the hair and find a shade that mirrors both. To begin, you want to brush the hair upward and outward in the direction that you want it styled. Then you're going to identify areas that are a little less dense or maybe finer or more sparse. Starting at the base of the brow, gently flick upward and outward to replicate hair-like strokes. The secret is, show pops of flesh in between each stroke. That's going to make it look like believable hair. As the pencil starts to round out from the warmth of your skin, simply roll it flat, tap it out on a hard surface, roll it back up, and keep flicking. We're going to be using the longer bristles on the dual-ended wand. This is going to keep those brows fluffy and wispy. I hope you enjoyed this fluffy brow tutorial, and if you're interested in giving it a try, you can shop these products at Sephora or Sephora.com.